In this video, I will delve into how I quit my job and made $10,000 in 30 days using a step-by-step blueprint. 30 days ago, I make a decision that most people call reckless. I walk into my boss office and resign. No money, no guaranteed income, just a 30 days runway and one of fear advantage. Artificial intelligence. But here is what made it crazy. I didn't just want to survive for 30 days. I wanted to prove something, that in 2026, one person with AI can out-earn an entire small team. And not by working 18 hours a day, but by building leverage. By the end of this video, I am going to show you exactly how the $10,000 was made, what worked, what almost failed, the tools I used, the same thing I built, and what I would do differently if I started again today. If you are in Nigeria, earning in Naira, if you are in the USA, feeling skills like inflation, if you are tired of trading time for survival, this might be the most practical 40 minutes to spend this year, and wait until you see what happened on day 22. Before the end of this video, I am going to show you the exact blueprint I used to make $10,000 in 30 days. If you want the clear breakdown of the blueprint, hit the subscribe button and let's dive in. The mindset shift, why 2026 is different. Before we talk 30s, we need to talk reality. The old formula was work, get paid, repeat. The new formula is build system. System works, you scale. The biggest mistake people make with AI, they think it replaces human. Wrong. AI replaces inefficiency. Let's destroy 3 myths quickly. Myth 1, I don't have skills. In 2026, skills are rented. You don't need to be a copywriter. You need to know how to prompt one. You don't need to code. You need to instruct AI clearly. The leverage is not in knowing everything. The leverage is in directing intelligence. Myth 2, AI is too complicated. If you can type, write a sale emails for a fitness coach targeting busy moms. You can use AI. It is conversational. The barrier is psychological, not technical. Myth 3, this is a get rich quick scheme. No, this is get rich with systems. It still requires much thinking, testing, iterating, selling, but the return curve is exponential, not linear. Phase 1, high ticket, AI freelance pivot. I needed immediate cash flow. Passive income takes some time, so I built active leverage first. Step 1, choosing the right high ticket skill. I analyze the mind. Business need leads. Businesses need conversation. Businesses need email marketing. So I position myself as AI enhanced conversions copywriter. Notice what I did. I did compete with freelancers. I differentiated with AI leverage. Day 1 to 2, skill compression strategy. Instead of taking a 6-month course, I use AI as a private tutor. Prompt example, act as a world-class direct response copywriter. Teach me AIDA and pass frameworks with example. Within hours, I understood. Then I practiced by rewriting landing pages. AI will critique my draft. It was like having a mentor on demand. Day 3 to 4, profile positioning, critical move. Instead of saying I write email, I said I help SaaS and e-commerce brand increase email conversions rate using AI optimized sales psychology. Position me, changes price. Then I built a premium Upwork profile, created 2 mock portfolio samples using AI. Use an AI headshot generator for authority. Positioning now, I look credible even if I was new. Day 5 to 10, client acquisition. Here is what changed everything. Instead of sending generic proposal, I use AI to analyze the job post, identify pain points, craft a micro strategy inside the proposal. Example structure, acknowledge problem, offer insight, suggest solution, outline, ask intelligent question. That alone increased response rates dramatically within 5 days. First contract, $1,000. Second contract, $1,200. Third project, $1,000. $300. Day 10, freelance revenue equal $3,500 plus. And here is the key insight. The AI did 70% of drafting. I focus on refinement and strategy. While freelancing, I noticed something. Many businesses wanted AI automation but didn't know how to implement it. So I added a second service, AI workflow setup for small businesses. I charge $500 to $1,000 to build ChatGPT prompt libraries, create automated email templates, set up simple content workflow. This is exploding right now, especially in US small businesses, Nigeria digital entrepreneur coaches, real estate agents. That alone added another $1,000 during the month. If you are still watching, comment leverage, because that is what this entire strategy is built on. And if you want the exact prompt I use, subscribe, because I am releasing a breakdown video next week with downloadable templates. Here is part 2, where the real compounding begins. Now we move from cash flow to asset building. Phase 2, the digital asset engine. Days 6 to 18. Freelancing gave me oxygen, but oxygen is not wealth. Assets are wealth. If I stop freelancing, income will stop. So I built something that could earn while I slept. Not hype, not drop shipping, chaos, a digital asset. Step 1, choosing the right niche. Strategic selection. Most people choose niches emotionally. I choose based on high buyer intent, product price range above $50, recurring search demand, affiliate availability, low authority competition. After research, I pick small home gadgets for pet owners. Why? Because pet owners spend emotionally. Smart gadgets are trending. Average product price is $80 to $300. Affiliate commission compound. Step 2, AI-powered research domination. Instead of guessing keywords, I use AI to generate 100 blog topics ideas. Cluster them by search intent. Identify comparison posts. Best X versus Y. Build a 30-day publishing roadmap. Prompt example. List 50 high-intent SEO blog topics in the smart pet gadget niche. Include commercial intent phrases. Within 10 minutes, I add what agency charge $1,000 plus to create. Step 3, content creation at scale. Now here is where most people fail. They copy paste AI content. I didn't. I structure every article like this. Hook, introduction, problem, agitation, product breakdown, pros and cons, buying guide, comparison table. AI wrote the first draft. Then I edited for human tone, flow, authority, SEO structure. Result, 20 long form article in 7 days. A process that will normally cost $3,000 to $5,000. Cost to me, time plus minimal 2 fees. Step 4, monetization starting. I didn't rely on one stream. I layer monetization, affiliate links, display ad, comparison table, call to action buttons, internal linking. But here is what most tutorials forget. I built an email list from day one. Simple lead magnet. 5 must have smart gadget every pet owner should know about. AI helped me create the PDF in 2 hours. Now I wasn't just getting traffic, I was building ownership. Day 18, first passive sale. It happened quietly. $47 commission, then another, then $230 in 1 day. That is when it clicked. This wasn't luck, this was system momentum. By day 25, affiliate income is equal to $3,200 plus. Ads plus YouTube revenue is equal to $1,300. Traffic was increasing daily. AI prints on demand micro brands. While building the niche site, I noticed something. Pet owner love niche humor charts. So I tested AI generated pet theme design using AI image generation plus print on demand platforms. I created 15 designs and uploaded them to marketplace and targeted niche pet communities. One design started selling consistently, earning small money individually but scalable. This added another few $100, not massive but proof of concept. Phase 3, viral velocity system. 2, days 16 to 25. This is where the multiplier kick in. Most people build content, few distribute strategically. I turn one blog post into 25 content assets. Here is how. Step 1. AI video repurposing. I took top articles and converted them into one long YouTube video, 3 shorts, 5 Pinterest pins, 3 LinkedIn posts, 2 X threads, and 1 email broadcast, all using AI scripting plus automation tools. Under 2 hours. Step 2. Faceless YouTube short strategy. I tested 60-second pet gadget demos using AI, voiceover, stock visual, and simple caption. One shot hit 120,000 views. Traffic spike. Amount to affiliate sale spike. You don't need to be on camera. You need distribution leverage. Step 3. Newsletter monetization layer. This is advanced. Once I add email subscriber, I introduce weekly product recommendations, sponsored placement, affiliate stacking, even small leads monetize when intent is high. Day 22. The breakthrough moment. I woke up to multiple scale notification, YouTube revenue rising, traffic climbing. It was no longer effort driven, it was system driven. That is the difference. Final phase. Scaling to $10,000. Here is the full breakdown. Freelancing is equal to $4,500. Affiliate site $3,200. YouTube plus ads $1,300. AI service setup $1,000 plus. Print on demand $300 plus. Total $10,000 plus. But the real win, recurring momentum, systemization. I created SOP document for article writing prompts, proposal templates, video repurposing workflow, email broadcast, structure. Then I tested hiring a VA. This is where geography becomes leverage. If you are in Nigeria, you can build system at lower cost. But if you are in US, you can charge higher ticket rate. Currency arbitrage is real. What you now understand. By the end of this video, you now understand AI is not magic, it is leverage. Freelancing build fast cash. Digital asset build long-term income. Distribution multiplies everything. System create freedom. Here is your 7-day starter plan. Day 1, choose one path. Day 2, learn with AI. Day 3, build profile or site. Day 4 to 5, execute. Day 6, publish or pitch. Day 7, analyze and improve. Don't try to copy everything at once. Pick one, commit yourself to it, execute it. If this video shifted your perspective, hit like. If you want the exact prompt, tools and templates, subscribe right now because the next video is a full down breakdown workshop. Comment below. Which phases are you starting with? Freelance, digital asset, viral distribution. Your leverage journey start now. I see you in the next video.